What is the process for applying for LMIA in Canada? For most LMIAs, the employer needs to undergo a recruitment period of 1 month where you post advertisements and try to recruit Canadians and permanent residents for the position. Now, the government's recruitment requirements for the LMIAs are very specific, and one of the main reasons for rejections is because the recruitment did not meet the specific requirements. Once the recruitment period is over, the employer has 60 days to submit the application to ESTC, our labor department. The employer must show that they have satisfied the requirements for recruitment, that they genuinely cannot find or are unlikely to fill the position by a Canadian or permanent resident, and that they meet the business legitimacy requirements. Applying for LMIA is a complicated process, and many employers find it frustrating to receive a refusal after they have put in so much time, effort, and expenses into the process. That is why it's really important to hire an experienced immigration lawyer to help you with the process. There are also many alternatives to the traditional LMIA process that are much easier and faster. If you're an employer who is looking to hire an international worker, call me and I'll be happy to guide you through the process.